पति को बताती हूँ?
पति जब था तो
Would you like to talk about that?
रियलिटी है तो ऑफ कोर्स सेव योरसेल्फ द मोमेंट यू फील जस्ट स्टेप आउट ऑफ दैट रिलेशन। शादियां हो रही हैं और बहुत जल्दी टूट जा रही हैं। अर्लियर इट यूज्ड टू बी वन पर्सन फॉर लाइफ, नाउ इट इज वन पर्सन एट अ टाइम।
Yeah, that's true.
Because I was sad in the middle of the shot, I would just kind of walk out, go to my makeup room, cry. Then I was like, I can't do this. बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि मतलब डायरेक्टर कुछ बोल रहे हैं, I've suddenly gone back to my story, and then suddenly there's that pain on my face, and he'd be like, okay, this is it.
After that, alimony cases and some cricketer के cases जो हुए हैं.
So firstly, alimony, even men get it. Like you said, there's social media, I think, a biggest bane in our society today. Anyone, anywhere in the world can stand up and comment on the way you look.
Yeah, I want a lover like Kabir Singh.
But I don't think they will survive with those toxic men. I would say you're not actors. I've seen actors in front of me जो आए हैं और गए और गायब हो गए.
Yeah.
Right? When it started with TikTok, आज कोई भी celebrity बन गया है. People were named as TikTok celebrity. मैंने कहा TikTok celebrity क्या होता है? It's very different. Like regional cinema obviously is very different in terms of.
Is it better? You are single, ready to mingle? अनसेंसर्ड विद शार्दुल पे आज एक अनसेंसर्ड कहानी सुनाऊं। हर एक लड़का अपनी लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस करता है कि वो कुछ लड़कियों को डीएम करता है जिसके जवाब उन्हें आते नहीं है। कुछ डीएम्स जो ऐसे साउंड करते हैं। तो ऐसे डीएम्स आपको सिर्फ मैं ही करता हूँ या बहुत सारे लड़के करते हैं?
मैंने तो सुना भी नहीं है।
It said that how are you Milky? I'm watching Mukhbir. You're looking so graceful. You're looking so graceful.
What did I not reply to that?
Of course you did. Of course
I
you
did.
did. But I'm saying that am I the only one who's doing this or?
नहीं ऐसे तो बहुत आते हैं।
हैं?
हाँ।
पति को बताती हूँ?
पति जब था तो।
Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not. Guys, I'm so sorry. I did not know the bio.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, जब था तो बताती थी।
I'm literally sorry for that start because I don't follow through the tabloids and this is completely your life, your business.
No, that's good. You're a happier person if you don't know what's happening.
Yeah, but would you like to talk about that or you want to ignore that thing completely?
Reality है तो of course we can talk about it.
So may I ask you, like, because you know, honestly, when I saw both of you, everything was very nice. What went wrong?
My God, when did you see us last?
BCL.
BCL को हुए बहुत time हो गया. But no, I think Indraneel and I have been separated for 4 years now.
Oh.
So yes, 4 साल हो गए.
Are you in a happy place?
Now I am, yes.
Okay.
I am.
Both of you are in a happy place?
I don't know much about him. I hope he is.
तो फिल्मों में जैसा दिखाते वैसा नहीं होता that you know people are still talking to each other, still nice to each other.
फिल्मों में नहीं, रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसा होता है. I think most couples के साथ ऐसा होता है. Unfortunately, with me and Indraneel, it hasn't happened. And it's really unfortunate.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you, are you okay with me asking these questions or I can skip to other questions?
You can ask me if I choose not to answer, I don't.
वो हम हमेशा कहते हैं अनसेंसर्ड विद शार्दुल पे आपकी मर्जी होगी, आप जो जितना बताना चाहते हैं. But I'm so sorry, like this just took me एकदम ऐसा शॉक हो गया क्योंकि नहीं, I genuinely did not know. I swear I did not know. Otherwise, my first question would have been that and wouldn't have been that because also number ka, I believe in one thing that these days I don't read up a lot about people's relationships. B, जब मैं podcast बना रहा था, I believe that podcast should be about that person's achievements, failures, whatever they did. It is not about the gossip and the scandal in their life.
Right.
जो unfortunately part and parcel of life है. But what I don't want to talk to you about this certain person, but I now definitely want to talk to you about this is that a lot of my friends have gone through failed relationships. मैं अकेला बैठा हूँ जिसको कोई हुआ ही नहीं आज तक मतलब successful. Do you believe in 2025 relationships नहीं चल रहे हैं? Is it the time that we need to blame? Is it the person that we need to blame?
नहीं चल रहे हैं. Yes, it is true. And marriages specifically, या तो लोग शादी नहीं करना चाहते या शादियां हो रही हैं और बहुत जल्दी टूट जा रही हैं. So that is definitely happening. But I think it's a mix of everything. The times have changed. People's patience towards relationships has changed because life इतनी fast हो गई है, इतनी chaotic हो गई है कि उस chaos में जो important है, like I feel as a person, for me family relationship is very important. Life में दो ही चीजें, एक family होती है, एक काम होता है, you know, वही चीजें होती है. So I think कहीं ना कहीं वो family और relationships, I think वो लोग भूलते जा रहे हैं. And that is why 2025, yes, if you ask me, a lot of relationships are not working out. But it has more to do with people rather than anything else.
And what they bring to the table.
And what they bring to the table, how strong you are as a person. And I think किसी भी relationship में, to get into a relationship is very easy.
Yeah.
To maintain that relationship, no, you have to be a fighter.
But there are a lot of Hollywood celebrities, जैसे मुझे नहीं पता आपका क्या रीजन था, पर ये कहते हैं ना कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं मैरिज मैनमेड है. हम लोग को तो वी वर नॉट मेंट फॉर मैरिज, लाइक एनिमल किंगडम में कोई शादी नहीं करता है. तो जो भी आपके साथ हुआ मुझे नहीं पता, बट अब जहां पे आप हैं, क्या आपको लगता है शादी एज एन इंस्टीट्यूशन डजंट वर्क?
Okay, so you should know this about me. I am a firm believer in marriage. I believe in the institution of marriage, always have, very strongly. And yes, it saddens me to say that it is failing as an institution today. I mean, I worry about my daughter. I'm like now thinking, should she get married? Should she not get married? When should she get married? I mean, it's become a question mark now, sometimes it's like karni hogi to kar legi, which I feel it's really sad because marriage as an institution, yes, man-made tha, it was made by society and all of that, but it was made for a reason. Right, and whatever those reasons could be.
safe haven देने के लिए लोगों को, बच्चों के लिए, and also I still believe that जो भी लोग कहते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि at least Indian marriages give you a lot of grounding, क्योंकि मैं जब भी देखता हूँ, मतलब मेरे रिलेशनशिप नहीं चल रहे हैं, नहीं चला है कोई, बट मेरे आइडियल मेरी मॉम और डैड की रिलेशनशिप है कि जब मेरी मॉम पास्ट अवे few years back, and मैंने मेरे पापा से बोला, would you like to get married? Second time, he lashed out at me. And I was like, आपको इतना बुरा क्यों लग रहा है? I'm saying it आपके लिए. But that love आजकल नहीं होता है. Like, that one person वाला this thing.
That one person, I was hearing somebody's podcast again, and that person said, earlier it used to be one person for life. Now it is one person at a time.
Yeah, that's true.
कि अभी मैं जिसके साथ हूँ, that is my one person. फिर कोई और भी हो सकता है और कोई तीसरा भी हो सकता है.
पर आजकल 2-3 people at the same time भी तो होता है.
वो तो फिर I mean
वो भी होता
होने को तो there are all permutations and combinations happening today. Situationships हो रही हैं.
Polyamorous relationships.
Polyamorous relationships.
I want to talk to you about this because ये मुझे नहीं समझ में आता polyamorous relationship.
Open marriages.
Open marriages. जो कई लोग practice कर रहे हैं for saving the marriage. उनका कहना है कि polyamorous करके कम से कम relationship चल जाता है. But can you see your lover loving someone else while you are in love with that person?
Okay. Simple thing is, marriage is hard work. It's a lot of hard work. Okay. When people don't want to do the hard work, then they look for excuses. Let's be polyamorous. Let's have an open relationship. Let's maybe walk out of the marriage. Let's have an extramarital affair. I think those are all excuses to cover up for the hard work that you actually have to do. So
मेरे शो पे एक डिवोर्स लॉयर आई थी और उन्होंने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी बात कही. आजकल ना ऑनलाइन बड़े लोग, मेन स्पेशली कैजुअली लिख देते हैं कि ओह शी इज अ गोल्ड डिगर, वो डिवोर्स लेके पैसा लेना चाहती है एंड ऑल दैट. शी टोल्ड मी दैट जब हमारे पास लोग आते हैं डिवोर्सेस के लिए, इट्स मोस्टली द वुमेन हु आर ट्राइंग टू सेव द मैरिज टिल द एंड. इट्स द मेन हु इजीली वांट द डिवोर्स. डू यू एग्री विद दैट?
I can speak out of my experience. Yes, absolutely. I know I have tried to save the marriage. I did try to save the marriage. I think it was easier for the man to check out.
But at what point do you think I'm losing myself, it's not worth it?
It's very different for different people, Shardul. कुछ लोग के लिए 2 महीने बहुत होते हैं, कुछ लोग के लिए 2 साल भी कम पड़ जाते हैं. So it really depends. If you ask me, it's never enough. It's never I'm done wala situation आना नहीं चाहिए. For me it never happened. I was never done till I was done. And yeah.
Now since you said you have a daughter, okay, and you are a woman, what would you teach her कि बेटा don't be done or be done फटाक से get out?
That's a very difficult question.
Yeah.
Because this happened when Meera was 9 years old. Till then it was like beta always work on relationship, whatever I could explain at that one. Ki always work at it, always whatever. Now I'm like, I don't know. I'm in that situation where I'm going through a transition right now. My beliefs shattered. Whatever I believed in all my life, that's shattered. So now I'm confused that what do I tell my daughter? Because as a mother, I want to protect her. I don't ever want her to go through what I went through, So I'm thinking, how do I protect her? Should I tell her कि बेटा give it your all and keep trying, or should I tell her that no,
Save yourself.
save yourself the moment you feel, just step out of that relationship.
वो आंसर अभी तक आया कि नहीं?
नहीं आया है
I know.
actually,
It'll take time.
because both of them are very tricky. For how long can you be in a relationship if it's not working out, and how long can you keep trying versus okay, just check out immediately and then think, yeah, did I not try hard enough? It's
जब भी कोई रिलेशनशिप नहीं वर्कआउट होता है, हम लोग खुद को बहुत सेल्फ डाउट देते, सेल्फ गेस करते, और ऑल ऑफ 90% पीपल दैट आई गो थ्रू, कुछ दो तरह के लोग होते हैं, एक जो बोलते हैं तेरी गलती और एक जो बोलते हैं मेरी गलती. Which one is more beneficial for the person's mental health? Because I think अगर मैं तुम पे सब गलती डाल दूं तो I'm easy, मुझे कुछ नहीं प्रॉब्लम होगी.
See, I think it really depends on what really happened in that relationship. Because जो लोग बोलते हैं तेरी गलती, those are the people I think who have that guilt. Because they know they did something wrong, so then they'll say कि नहीं गलती उसकी थी. The ones who say मेरी गलती are the ones who I think want to try and learn something in the process. So mental health के लिए अगर आप पूछे, I wouldn't say कि it's okay. A marriage breaking apart is never one person. It's always two people, right?
Yeah.
एक की वजह से तो नहीं हो सकता.
बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता.
कि who breaks first. एक की वजह से नहीं हो सकता है, but I think it's a good way to.
Or who wants to break out first?
Yeah,
it's
who wants to
always
break out first, yeah.
But first thing I want to prove this to her that मुझे ये नहीं पता था, and I genuinely my questions were not about this, but since I came to know now, I want to. We will get there also, but I want to know this. Like you saw the first question. Yeah. So we'll come back to that. But Barkha, I genuinely want to know कि ये मेरा भी लाइफ का सोर स्पॉट रहा है, और मैं कई बार जोक्स बनाता हूँ उसके बारे में, लेकिन मेरे बिलीफ और मेरी रियलिटी में डिफरेंस आ गया है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, आज के जमाने में देर इज थेरेपी अवेलेबल, देर इज कपल्स काउंसलिंग अवेलेबल, देर इज थेरेपी फॉर योर सेल्फ अवेलेबल, देर आर सो मेनी डेटिंग एप्स अवेलेबल, लेकिन एवरीवेयर पीपल हु आर मैरिड दे आर अनहैप्पी, पीपल हु आर नॉट मैरिड आर अनहैप्पी. Since you've seen both the sides, what do you think on a generic statement, not just about you, but what is going wrong?
Like I said, it's people. I think people's resilience and patience towards another person. See, what happens is when you're in a relationship or a marriage, you're with that person all the time.
Yeah.
Right? So your patience towards that person becomes lesser because there is so much that you're dealing with outside that you feel कि यार घर पे आके I don't want to deal with this person. So it might not be that person's fault, but you make it feel like, oh, if this person is out of my life, I'll be good. So I think that is what is happening when people say I'm better off alone, or I'll be better off with another partner. Every partner will come with its share of flaws, and every situationship, like you said, people who are single also are not really happy.
Yeah.
So I think it has everything to do with the mindset of people. It's just become very fast paced. We're in an age where सब कुछ फास्ट होना चाहिए, marriage,
राइट स्वाइप, लेफ्ट स्वाइप, जल्दी से घर पे डिलीवरी आ गई.
And the options, you see the number of options, like you said, dating apps, the social media, there's so much exposure and access. There are people who will DM you randomly.
Yes.
So then you feel कि यार, if this doesn't work out, there are 10 other men who have DM'd me. I can, so that option availability, that I think your values, that has kind of shattered somewhere.
I also want to talk about this, जो मैंने इस podcast में divorce lawyer से भी पूछा था कि who does it affect more, when a relationship breaks. ठीक है, हम वो निब्बा निब्बी के लव के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे. We are talking about marriage, which is about kids, which is about so many years of investment and all. She said that अभी आजकल ना पूरे इंडिया में after that alimony cases and some cricketer के cases जो हुए हैं, लोगों ने मान लिया है कि हर लड़की गोल्ड डिगर है और हर लड़की को सिर्फ पैसा चाहिए. बट व्हाट दिस डिवोर्स लॉयर टोल्ड मी वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, दैट फॉर अ वुमन इट इज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ मेनी इयर्स, एंड हाउ डू यू इवन कैलकुलेट इट. तो इट इज वेरी फेयर, क्योंकि कुछ लड़के बोल रहे हैं एलिमिनी नहीं होनी चाहिए बिकॉज ऑफ जो केसेस हुए थे जहां लड़कों ने सुसाइड कर लिया. अब ये क्वेश्चन उठ रहा है कि एलिमिनी होनी चाहिए, नहीं होनी चाहिए, और होनी चाहिए तो दोनों को होनी चाहिए. लाइक सेलिब्रिटी आल्सो सेड कि अगर एलिमिनी लड़कियों को मिलनी चाहिए तो फिर दहेज भी नहीं होना चाहिए. You know who I'm talking about. But I want to know from you that are you in support, are you not support of alimony?
Okay, so firstly, alimony, even men get it.
Yes.
They do. It is already there in the law that if the woman is more successful, or earning more, then the husband is absolutely, legally has the right to ask for alimony. So that is already there. So both are.
And why do you know this? Why do you know this? Were you asked?
No, because I'm going through a divorce right now.
No, but were you asked
Was
कि
I?
मुझे दे दो alimony?
Oh no.
Because successful तो बरका हमेशा से रही है.
No, it's not that, but but like I said, I'm going through a divorce right now, so I'm quite aware of what's happening in the law. But I would say that your question was who gets more affected. I will still say women get more affected, and the reason I say that is because, like this lawyer said, you cannot put an amount or a price to the emotional involvement, and if it's a marriage with a child, bringing up a child, and this is something out of experience where I have stood in front of a judge and the judge has told me that you can't put a price to upbringing of a child.
You can't.
And he said it was your choice. You chose to keep the child. If you don't want to, give it to the father. So it's very easy.
But it's a child, not a pet.
Exactly. It's very easy for a person to say, and and in all honesty, and the judge said, I'm sorry, but these are the rules and I'm just following the law. So it's very easy to say, okay, theek hai. If you think it's a problem, let the father take care of the child. But what about the child? Like you said, the child is a human being and she has her own mind and she wants to stay with her mother. So then what do? Then you just have to keep quiet and say, okay, you can't put a price to upbringing.
You can't. And also for a child, like माँ होती है यार, मेरी माँ अब नहीं है दुनिया में, फिर भी अगर मुझे कोई भी पेन होता है, बुखार आता है, कुछ होता है, माँ ही निकलता है मुंह से, that. Anyways, gone too heavy in the beginning minutes of it, so I'll come back to the tactic that I always use. Since you are single, ready to mingle?
Oh God. What I do want to do now is have people in my life, in my inner circle, who are going to help me grow, who are going to bring positivity in my life. Maybe a person or people who could be a good companion, who could be a good partner, in whatever way. That is my thing. Besides that, the boss of the house is my daughter, who picks on, okay, who is messaging you? Who is this guy? I saw this picture with this guy.
Really?
Who is he? Who are you going out with? What's his name? So I have somebody who is questioning me all the time. So single.
अब तुम्हारी मम्मी है घर पे.
हाँ, so single होने के बाद भी ऐसा लगता है, oh my God, like इतने सवाल, like मेरे husband ने इतना नहीं पूछा जितना मेरी बेटी पूछ रही है. So all that is happening. My focus right now is completely on her, and it's a huge responsibility now because she's watching every step. She's watching everything. How my mother is doing as a single mother, as a single person. How is she managing? What is she doing? What are the kind of friendships she has? What are the kind of relationships she has? She's watching everything. So I have to be very, very careful. So yeah, single, yes, it's a good space to be in, and definitely ready to mingle.
Yeah.
But mingle, yeah, let's see. Whatever happens.
But like cautious हो गई हो अब, या मतलब अभी भी जैसे जब हम नए प्यार करते थे हम कैसे दिल फेंक रोमांस करते हैं ना, कि सब रोजी लगता है, टिंटेड लगता है, फिर जब दिल टूटता है या रिलेशनशिप टूटता है तो हम थोड़े से गार्डेड हो जाते हैं.
हाँ.
क्या तुम भी हो गई हो?
बहुत ज्यादा. ये मेरे साथ एक्चुअली पहली बार हुआ है that I have gone through such a terrible heartbreak, right? तो पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है, और अब मुझे, और बहुत लेट हुआ लाइफ में, तो थोड़ा पहले हो जाता तो when you're younger you kind of adapt to it. मेरे साथ बहुत लेट हुआ लाइफ में. So I think it has definitely changed me as a person. I'm much more guarded. I have trust issues. I have doubts. I doubt everybody. But otherwise I'm all heart.
Yeah, I can see that. Like when I told you I didn't have this in my plans, like you really, like, honestly, yeah.
But, I'm like all about
fair.
Love. So honestly, I still believe in love. I still believe that you have to give it your all. There is no other way it will work.
Okay, let's manifest Mr. Barkha Singh Gupta Part 2. Qualities बताओ. Barkha Bisht.
Yes.
Qualities बताओ.
Qualities.
हाँ, मतलब शाहरुख खान वाला रोमांस चाहिए, ऋतिक रोशन वाले लुक्स चाहिए, क्या चाहिए?
एक अच्छा इंसान चाहिए. एक अच्छा इंसान.
Funnily, जो आपने कहा एक अच्छा इंसान चाहिए, वो आजकल कोई नहीं कहता. When you ask someone ना कि आपको क्या चाहिए, guys will listen.
What age group you ask? You're gonna ask somebody in their 40s. I don't think anybody in their 40s will say मुझे good looking लड़का चाहिए, six packs होने चाहिए, अच्छा इंसान चाहिए, kind, somebody who's kind, somebody who's patient, वो चाहिए. So yeah.
But I'm so proud of you for one thing, Barkha, because ये आप कह रही हैं कि आपकी बेटी सब चीजों पे नजर रख रही, बट दैट्स यू मेकिंग हर अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, यू नो, दैट्स यू गिविंग हर दैट दिस थिंग, बिकॉज I would sound a little biased, but I am biased. I always in a story I always take a woman's side without even knowing the story, because I'll tell you why. ये ऐसे नहीं कि मेरे को cool sound करना है या मुझे feminist बनना है, because I think my mother brought me up to be that person, because I have understood one thing कि जितना on a daily basis, चाहे आप corporate में काम कर रहे हो, चाहे आप shoots पे हो, imagine on a set, I have seen actresses जो अपना मेकअप भी करा ले रही हैं, कुक को इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी दे रही हैं, बच्चों के स्कूल की बातें भी हो गई हैं, टैक्स प्लानिंग भी हो गई है, और लड़के वहां बैठे हुए हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, कौन सी लड़की को देखना है. हाउ इज इट दैट women achieve more and still they are at the losing end?
गॉड, ये तो बहुत ही डीप सवाल है.
मैंने बोला था ना, ये इंटरव्यू नहीं है, पॉडकास्ट होगा और काफी अनसेंसर्ड होगा.
How do we achieve more? I would say, I think men and women have both evolved. The pace at which women evolved, I think, was much faster than men. And that's why we're able to do more. So like, see, taking care of the house, घर में क्या चल रहा है, आज खाना क्या बनेगा, घर में सब्जी है कि नहीं, बच्चे ने होमवर्क किया कि नहीं, that is something that comes naturally to us, right? We have evolved now saying that, hey, ये करने के बाद भी we can step out of the house and we can also work. We can also provide to the family. We can be an earning member of the family as well, right? So that is our level of evolvement, saying that we can also do this. We can support our husbands. They don't need to do everything. Men did not evolve at the same pace.
Confused ही रह गए.
हाँ, वो actually confused है, and I'm sorry to say that, but really I think men are still transitioning. कि okay, wife is earning now, she is supporting, does that mean I have to now do certain things at home? And some men are okay with it, some men absolutely don't want to do it, some men don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
So like you said, they're very confused.
But don't you think so? I mean, I'm going to ask you a very uncensored सवाल. Don't you think so थोड़ा सा गलती लड़कियों की भी है? Because this whole toxic lover trait that women have, like जब कबीर सिंह जैसी मूवी आती हो, मेरी दोस्त मुझे बोलती है कि I want a lover like कबीर सिंह. I said, really? जो चांटा मारता है तुझे और जो तेरे पापा की बेइज्जती करता है? She's like, no, but you don't know how he loved. I said, dude, कबीर सिंह ने चांटा मारा अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को, उसके पापा से बदतमीजी करी. How is he a lover? But women fall for toxic men all the time.
Yeah, they do. But I don't think they will survive with those toxic men for too long. Again, you ask a certain age group. Like I said, you ask women in their 40s, they don't want toxic men. They don't want any toxicity in their life, actually. But yes, it is very attractive, and I have fallen prey to it as well. The bad guy was always the guy you want.
तो मुझे ये हमेशा से जानना था, because I did a show बहुत जब मैं छोटा था, भाई कॉफी पिला देना शुक्र वाली एक. सॉरी, ये बहुत अनसेंसर्ड है हमारे यहाँ, ऐसे ही होता है. ये उड़ा देगा ना गौरव, रख भी देना, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लाइक भी लिटरली यार, लोग लाइट लगा रहे हैं राजीव मस्ती शो में, बना सके. सो मैं क्या बता रहा था? That was a nice question. What was I saying? Just remind me क्या बोल रहा था मैं इसके पहले.
Toxicity.
Yeah, sorry, yeah. The bad guy thing. What is it about bad guys? Like बहुत सारे लड़के कंप्लेन करते हैं जो actually nice guys होते हैं ना, जो who are probably not the lookers, who are probably the geeks, who are probably the finance guys, who are probably the quieter ones. वो हमेशा लड़की की दोस्त ही बन के रह जाते हैं. कभी बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं बन पाते हैं. ऐसा क्यों?
ऐसा इसलिए होता है. I'll tell you why. When we're younger, again, I talk like I'm very old, but when
No, you're
we're
not.
younger, yeah, I'm not. Okay, but when we're younger, what happens is जो bad guy होता है ना, लड़कियों के लिए वो एक मिशन होता है कि इसको मैं ठीक करूंगी. I will fix this guy, and he will change himself for me, and thus that gives validation to the woman. Women I think, are conditioned into believing that we need validation all the time.
तो बेसिकली औरतों को थेरेपी की जरूरत है.
औरतों को
At least young ones.
Definitely.
Don't kill me for that.
We need validation from our fathers. If you ask me, between my mom and dad, I need validation from my father, not my mother. I have always needed more validation from my guy friends than the girlfriends. Yeah. And I've always needed validation from my partner. So that makes you feel कि यार, if this is a bad guy and if he becomes good for me, then I get that validation that, hey, I did well. So वो mindset थोड़ा change करना होगा.
अच्छा, एक चीज मुझे बताओ, क्योंकि तुम एक एक्ट्रेस हो और आर्टिस्ट्स के साथ जो भी चीजें होती है ना, इट डज इवॉल्व देयर आर्ट, और वो आ जाता है. आप नहीं, अब लाइक यू कांट लाइक कीप इट सेपरेट. एंड रणवीर कपूर ने रॉकस्टार में कहा था ना, दिल टूटता है तो सच्चा म्यूजिक बजता है. बट ऑल्सो आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर, पोएट, राइटर, डायरेक्टर, these things change you. Did it impact your work? Did it better it? Did it give you a like bad spell?
Did it give me a bad spell? Yes, I couldn't work initially. I think I was too depressed in life. You know, it was like, मतलब ऐसा लगा कि दुनिया खत्म हो गई है.
बट लोगों को पता था किस लिए नहीं कर रही हूँ, या मतलब
yeah.
अच्छा बता.
People knew and I tried. You know, when this just happened, people said just work, you'll feel better. I tried. I was so badly behaved.
Yeah?
I was so badly behaved because I was sad. I couldn't focus. In the middle of the shot, I would just kind of walk out, go to my makeup room, cry. Then I would come back, you know. So then I was like, I can't do this because I have been known as a professional for a very long time. And I'm like, I can't do this. So I stopped working. For more than a year, I think I wasn't working. Then I came back to it. It made me a better actor. It did. So I do believe, because artists are creative people. Any pain that you go through definitely adds to you as a performer.
Which was that project? जब आपने पेन में क्या, was Mukhbir a part of that time?
Mukhbir was just when I had, no, it was after that time when I kind of said that no, I need to do this. Because
when I saw it, I was like, bro, like, you know, I had to message you because, you know, you can see the intensity.
Yeah. I don't know about the intensity, but I know when I was shooting for Mukhbir, बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि मतलब डायरेक्टर कुछ बोल रहे हैं and I've suddenly gone back to my story and then suddenly there's that pain on my face and he'd be like, okay, this is it.
Yeah.
So that has definitely happened. One thing we should talk about is Safed. I had done this film called Safed by Sandeep Singh, in which I played a transgender. बहुत तारीफ हुई उस फिल्म की. हाँ. That was one film that I shot during the time when I shouldn't have been working. And that too because Sandeep Singh got me out of my house literally, saying whatever pain you're feeling, whatever, just bring it into this character. I have literally got shouted at almost every day. I mean, shouted at as a friend because Sandeep is a very dear friend. He has literally like rattled me saying snap out of it. So that was, it was very, very difficult.
But in hindsight, are you grateful that, you know, ऐसे लोग थे जो तुम्हें घर से ढूंढ के ला रहे थे? Because कुछ actors के जब बुरा टाइम आता है, people forget them.
My God, I can't tell you how grateful I am, Shardul. मुझे ना ऐसा लगता है that I think somewhere I feel again validation. I will say again, but that validation that I got during this period from people in the industry, I felt not only Safed, from Sandeep was definitely
friends,
first
basically.
of them. There was Anna, Sunil Shetty, who literally, I mean, I've done Hunter with him. And I was like, I don't know. He said, just do it. Just do it.
Achha, he knew what you're going through.
Yeah, he knew. He was like a huge support, you know, when all of this happened. And I mean, very close to me and Indranil. So he was a huge support. And again, I was working with him and we would shoot. And then I would be in his van and we would be talking. And he would be just, you know, giving me life advice. And then we would be back to shoot. So I have got so much support and so much love from people that I feel so blessed, I can't tell.
Incidentally, मैंने बहुत सुना है, like that's the reason people call him Anna and not Sunil Shetty, is because, you know, बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये स्टोरी करी कि कहीं उन्होंने किसी की फाइनेंशियल मदद करी है. Like he's a man of like बड़ा टेडी बियर जिसका बहुत बड़ा दिल है. Is it true?
He has a heart of gold, yeah. He is so giving. He is so giving, I can't tell you, and so positive. And you know, his life has such experiences that when you hear about it and when he talks, you just feel that, yeah, it's okay. You know, whatever has happened in life, it's okay. I mean, he was one of the first people who brought me onto that thing that it's okay. It doesn't matter. This has happened. You know, it's just get over it. It's not easy. A lot of people say, get over it, move on. It's not easy, but he was definitely one of the first people who told me that, you know what, it's okay. It really is.
Now coming back to you know, personal life, you said that बहुत सारे लोग के लिए तुम grateful हो. Personal life में हमेशा 2-3, you know, हमारे like I went through a time pre and post Big Boss. Like most people don't know about this, that you know, कई बार जब आपको जो चाहिए वो मिलके और फिर छूट जाता है तो और आप टूटते हो. But there are those 2-3 people, और हमारे यहाँ बहुत लोग कहते हैं, oh, actors can't be great friends, actors can't be great friends. Do you agree with this, or you found some people who are like?
My best friends are actors. Yeah. Shantini Ghosh, best friend. Karanveer Mehra, best friend. So my best friends are actors. So I can't say that whatever, you know, that they can't be. They are. I have my best friends are actors. So yeah.
तुम पिक करके चूज करते हो ना, सारे गुड लुकिंग दोस्त ही चाहिए ना. साइंत्री ऑल्सो भाई मारेगी मुझे बाद में भी.
शायद तो बहुत गुड लुकिंग है.
Are you Punjabi or are you Bengali?
आई एम नॉट आइदर, आई एम पहाड़ी.
Oh,
Yeah.
तो बिश्त आर पहाड़ी.
पहाड़ी.
So no wonder ये स्टील डिटर्मिनेशन तो वहीं से आता है
हाँ
ना.
हाँ, पहाड़ी सा वेरी.
मैं लिटरली, मेरा एक दोस्त है जो क्या मेरे मतलब कैमरामैन ही है, वो भाग भाग के शूट कर लेता है यार, उसे कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. आई एम लाइक, तुझे उससे सर्दी हुई, लाइक क्या मैं ठंडा पानी से नहा लिया मैं ठीक हो गया. पहाड़ीज आर बिल्ट डिफरेंट, राइट?
या हम.
नो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द इनर स्ट्रेंथ, लाइक.
या obviously पहाड़ीज का, that's what I'm saying ना, we are born, I am not, but you know our ancestors were born in that terrain that आप वैसे भी strong बन जाते हो.
Yeah.
And then I'm an army officer's daughter.
Ore, that's dangerous, but that's a lot of fun also. Army kids have a lot of fun, right?
Oh my God, I think it shapes our personalities completely.
How different is it from a normal
We're
kid to
very
a...
privileged. See, we have exposure to so many things, our lifestyle, the sense of discipline that we have, just generally our life. I mean, how do I say, there is this community that we are brought up in. So there is a very strong sense of community. कि अपने लोग हैं, you know, like no matter where you are, you travel anywhere in the country, you know, all I need to remember is my father's identity number.
Oh.
And that is something जो बचपन से सीखा है, अभी तक मुझे ऐसे जुबानी याद है, IC 22565. That every army officer has a number. So like it's like you are just recognized as that, like it's a community.
Yeah.
Like in the industry also, there's so many people, yeah, who are from the army background.
Really?
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
So many. There's Ranvijay, there's Anushka, there's Priyanka Chopra. All army
They all
officers.
built different.
Yeah.
Like जैसे आपने नाम लिए, they all have
I'm telling you.
like something unique.
And you meet them and then you're like, oh, army kid, it's like that. So there is a very strong sense of community which gives us a lot of security, I think, as people.
How old is your daughter, you said?
13 now.
13. Does she ever tell you that she wants to be in acting industry or what? उसको कुछ ऐसा करना है?
नहीं, she doesn't like being in front of the camera at all.
Why?
At all.
Because of your experiences?
No, not my experiences. It's just something that doesn't interest her as of now. It just doesn't.
That's actually very interesting ना, क्योंकि 90% actors अपने बच्चों को actors बनाना चाहते हैं, but बच्चा ही बोल रहा है मुझे नहीं बनना.
हाँ, और मैं भी बनाना नहीं चाहती. I mean, I will do whatever she wants to do. But I don't know, maybe, you know, बचपन से उसने ये सुना भी है, अरे she's so pretty, she should become an actor. So maybe that thing is in her head and she's like, no, this is something I will not be. So ये भी हो सकता है. You don't know how a child's psychology works. True. And you never know, by the time she's 18, 19, she'll be like,
she'll change your mind. But what is your fear? You know, with everything that's happening, like sometimes I have a nephew who's 9-year-old. You know, recently अभी हमारे country में भी हुआ था कि कुछ रिमार्क्स की वजह से बड़े बड़े यूट्यूबर्स प्रॉब्लम में आ गए थे. एंड देयर वर टू साइड्स. अगर मैं 9 साल पहले कोई मुझसे पूछता तो आई बी लाइक जस्ट बट इट्स जस्ट अ जोक, व्हाट्स द इशू? And then I remember that Aryansh watches YouTube all the time. I was like, I don't want him consuming that content at this age right now. What is your fear as a 13-year-old daughter's mother?
So I think my biggest fear is that as an actor or as any public figure, in today's world, you're too exposed, right? So my fear is that how do I protect my daughter from that? Like you said, there's social media, I think, a biggest bane in our society today. Social media, the fact that anyone, anywhere in the world can stand up and comment on the way you look, you know, what you're doing in your life, you know, how you're dressing up. How do you protect your child from that? So that is my biggest fear. The only thing I can hope is that if she ever wants to become an actor or something in the media industry, the only thing you can do is try and build that sense of security in the child. But having said that also, आपके आसपास इतने लोग हैं who are ready to put you down.
Yeah.
आप कितना भी अपने बच्चों को सिखा लो that be confident, वो नहीं हो पाता. I think that is my fear of, you know, that will she be able to handle this? Because it is crazy. It's going and it's becoming crazier by the day. Like by the day.
But don't you think so? As an actor, शायद आप ज़्यादा अच्छे से सिखा पाओगे, because as an actor, आप ज़्यादा ही face करते हो. लोगों को नहीं पता. They think it's all pretty, but the kind of rejections you face, the kind of comments you face from even casting, producers, co-actors, everything. I think actors are literally stronger people.
No, we are. But how do I know my child is going to be equally strong?
That's
you know,
also.
it's like you can't say that. I mean, yeah, she has my genes. She also has her father's genes. Father's family's genes, my family. You never know.
You never know.
Right? It's just about that.
आजकल तो बोल रहे हैं ना, there are now genetically you can design babies. If you had to have another baby genetically designed, which celebrity would you want it with? You don't even
which
need to marry them
celebrity?
now. You can just like genetically.
हाँ, really?
Yeah. Although I would like to have fun, but
But that celebrity would have to agree to this, no?
I'm sure
Oh.
we'll come to that part later. But right now we just wish.
Oh.
Like I would want Angelina Jolie to be the.
बाप रे यार, ऐसे तो बहुत लोग हैं फिर.
हाँ तो वही तो बोल रहे हैं. बहुत सीरियस बात कर ली, थोड़ी सी मस्ती भी तो कर ले. कौन होगा?
Off the head of my this thing, Fawad Khan. I like the way he talks.
बहुत तहजीब.
हाँ, तहजीब, वो जीन्स ही आ जाए मेरे बच्चे में, तहजीब.
उर्दू में बात करें बच्चा.
Yeah, something like that. Why not? But yeah.
अम्मी मुझे मेरे भूख क्या पता मुझे नहीं आती, मुझे भूख लग रही है. Wow, imagine Fawad Khan. And second
भी है, फिर third भी होगा.
मैंने एक एंजेलिना बताई, दूसरी में बताओ माधुरी. I love Madhuri Dixit. Who doesn't?
और विकी कौशल.
Correct favorite सबका ना.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा इंसान लगता है.
I was just saying
बहुत
it
अच्छा इंसान
to someone that विकी कौशल में से एक वाइब आती है कि ये अच्छा इंसान है. I don't know कैसा है, मैं तो ना मिला हूँ.
हाँ, मैं भी
मतलब मैं मिला हूँ, as in I've done this only.
I never met him, but एक वाइब आती है. एक की वो बहुत ग्राउंडेड है, ऐसी वाइब आती है.
हाँ, and you feel like rooting for him कि ना इसके साथ अच्छा होना चाहिए. Correct.
Actually, like if you ask me, is he your favorite actor? He's not. My favorite actor is Salman Khan. But yeah, like you said, I want his films to do well, and I want him to do well, and I want his marriage to do well, and I want him to have.
I want your films, your projects to do well. Would you like to talk about any projects that are in the pipeline? So
currently, Hunter with Anna again, season 2 is in the pipeline. I just did a Bengali film actually, which released last month. Huge hit. Calcutta मेरा पीछा नहीं छोड़ रहा है.
पर ये अच्छा वाला.
Yeah, but I did that, and currently I'm working on a web series.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Would you name it? No, not right now.
Well, we haven't named it only.
Acha.
But there's one for Hotstar. Sorry, there's also one for Hotstar that I have done, which should be on. That also the original name was Parinita, but I think that's going to change.
Parinita. Oh wow, that Parinita.
No, it has nothing to do with that.
अच्छा.
But it's going to change.
Oh great.
Something like that, yeah.
Regional cinema करने के बाद, do you think ये वाला सिनेमा करने में ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ क्या हो रहा है?
It's very different. Like regional cinema obviously is very different in terms of.
Is it better? As an actor?
As an actor, yes, I would say. Actually ऐसा नहीं है. आजकल यार हमारे नेशनल में भी बहुत अच्छी फिल्म्स बन रही हैं, बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट बन रहा है. It's just different. I mean, I wouldn't say better or worse. It's different.
अच्छा पर एक बात बताओ. From मैंने इसके questions ही नहीं पूछे थे. But from you've done reality shows, you have done television shows, soaps, you've done web, film, everything. One regret or one learning? Sorry, one regret and learning, and one good thing that you want to talk about from all these experiences.
My work experiences?
Yeah, work, only work.
Regret, बाप रे. Regret तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
No show is a regret?
No, nothing is a regret. See, a show, either it gave me recognition or it gave me money.
Which is both good.
Both are important.
Yeah.
So I have no regrets at all. What is the thing that I learned? Respect your work. I've been in the industry for 2 decades now, and I've seen actors in front of me जो आए हैं और गए हैं और गायब हो गए, right? So I would say respect your work. And stay grounded when it comes to your profession. कुछ एक्टर्स गायब इसलिए भी हो गए क्योंकि उन्हें सही लोग नहीं मिले काम करने के लिए. ऐसा नहीं कि उन लोगों ने रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करी. So that's why I say respect your work, because not everybody gets the opportunity.
Yeah.
You know, it's like आते मतलब 100 लोग हैं, एक successful होता है. So if you are that one person or that 1% of people, respect it.
But I don't know if you're aware that what was the year that you started with?
2004.
Okay. So what happens is there are also people who have थोड़ा बाद में start या पहले start. Things have changed so drastically that अब लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. Like I literally met someone जिसने मुझे बोला कि भैया मुझे ना एक्टिंग करनी है, मुझे बिग बॉस का किसी का नंबर दे दो. मैंने कहा तुझे एक्टिंग करनी तो बिग बॉस नहीं तुझे जाना. कहता फेम मिल जाएगी. तो मैंने कहा तुझे फेमस होना है या एक्टिंग करनी है? People now think आप रोडी करोगे, स्प्लिट्सविला करोगे, बिग बॉस करोगे, फेमस हो जाओगे, फिर आप एक्टिंग करेंगे. कौन एक्टिंग करने आ ही नहीं रहे लोग.
That is true. So again, like I said, ना social media has created this whole thing. आज कोई भी celebrity बन गया है, right? When it started with TikTok, there was the
तेरी काली काली
people were named as TikTok celebrity. मैंने कहा TikTok celebrity क्या होता है, right? और social influencers or whatever, ये जो नए वो आ गए हैं, you're not actors, right? I would say you're not actors. You're doing well in your field, great, but you're not actors. But यही हो रहा है that shortcut कि ये करते हैं, इससे एक्टिंग मिल जाए. कुछ लोगों का काम मिलता है ऐसे करके, बिग बॉस करके, या आपको काम मिलेगा. Will you be able to sustain it? अगर आप एक्टर नहीं हो तब सस्टेन नहीं कर पाओगे.
Will you do Big Boss?
Will I do it? I could not. Like,
if the money is great.
I mean, either ways, yeah. If the money is good, definitely. I mean, right now, all the more reason, of course. But I could and could not.
Well, all I have to say is, Barkha, that you have to, which I told Abhinav was a guest today. Also, I think you know him, Abhinav Shukla.
Yeah.
So this season of Uncensored, we started this thing that we will be requesting certain guests to do a part 2 with us in the next season, because कभी-कभी आप बैठते हो कुछ questions लेके और निकल कुछ और जाता है और उसके बाद आपको समझ में आता है that I'm very grateful that मैंने ये questions नहीं देखे तो उस वक्त और वो निकला, because I have always said that Barkha is amazing, gorgeous, hot at any time that I'm anchoring and all. But Barkha, I got to see the more beautiful side of you as a person, because I genuinely am a flag bearer of the fact, because having a mother like that I love strong women. I just love strong women, because you don't know आप कितनी लाइफ चेंज कर रहे होते हो. Like my mother changed my sister changed so many people around you. So thank you for sharing whatever you shared with us. I hope I did not trigger any trauma. I hope I did not do anything that you did not feel nice, but I just loved talking to you, and I think now I have newfound love and respect for you. DM तो मैं करता रहूँगा. सीधे कॉल करूँगा. Thank you so much. No, seriously, thank you so much.